Linsen was established in 1997, which includes Shenzhou Linsen Wood Industry Company Limited and Linsen Railway Vehicle Components Company Limited, with three major business modules: plywood, composite panels, custom-made furniture, and vehicle interiors. The factory is located in Shenzhou City, China, covering an area of more than 70,000 square meters, with the most advanced plywood and composite board manufacture lines. As well as a full set of first-class processing equipment. Linsen attaches great importance to product development and quality system construction. It has built a 200 square meters professional laboratory, which can conduct environmental, mechanical, and combustion tests. It has obtained National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, and DIN 6701 Bonding Quality System Certification, and FSC Certification. The company's main products include plywood, composite panels, custom-made furniture, and vehicle interiors. The products are widely used in vehicle interior, equipment manufacturing, furniture customization, building decoration, and other fields. Linsen has developed long-term cooperation relationship with CRRC, AE, China Automotive Industry Engineering Company Limited, Dur, Balani, Kuka Home, and other well-known companies. When you need high-quality panels, furniture, and interior products, Linsen is your best choice.